Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video a service that's made to taxpayers who a lot of them don't even know exists, and that's called the Taxpayer Advocate Service. It's your voice at the IRS. And so this is a service that was designed to help you with difficulty that you may face that normal channels don't help you get solved. And so they advocate on your behalf by working with the IRS to help alleviate whatever issues you may have with your tax situation. So we're going to go through these 10 things briefly. It says the Taxpayer Advocacy Service is an independent organization within the IRS and is your voice at the IRS. Two, we help taxpayers whose problems are causing financial difficulty. This includes businesses as well as individuals. You may be eligible for our help if you try to resolve your tax problems through normal IRS channels and have gotten nowhere, or you believe an IRS procedure just isn't working as it should. Four, the IRS has adopted the Taxpayer Bill of Rights that includes 10 fundamental rights that every taxpayer has when interacting with the IRS. I'm not going to go through all of them, but on the screen you can see the rights to be informed, the rights to qualify for service, the rights to pay no more than the correct amount of taxes, the right to challenge the IRS position and be heard, etc., etc. Five, if you qualify for our help, you will be assigned to one advocate who will be with you at every turn, and our service is always free. We have at least one local taxpayer advocacy office in every state, the District of Columbia and Puerto Rico. You can call your advocate whose number is in your local directory. In publication 1546, Taxpayer Advocacy Service, your voice at the IRS. That's a PDF if you want to click that link on it, or on our website at irs.gov/advocate. Click on that link, takes you to the website. You can also call toll free. The Taxpayer Advocacy Service has basic tax information, details about tax credits for individuals, businesses, and much more. Number eight, the Taxpayer Advocacy Service has handled large scales of systematic problems that affect many taxpayers. If you know of one of these broad issues, please report it to us at irs.gov/SAMS. 9. You can get updates at. So they got three different links you can click to get updates. Number 10, the Taxpayer Advocacy Service is here to help you because when you are dealing with a tax problem, the worst thing you can do is to do nothing at all. So this here is a service that if you qualify is always free. It's for individuals as well as businesses. And so you want to keep this in mind when it comes to having some issues that you might have been going through for 1 or 2 years, and you're wondering if there's any way to get it fixed. Because the people you maybe have been dealing with, maybe your CPA, your enroll agent, maybe your tax preparer, just don't have a solution to help you with it. And then the next step is to reach out to the Taxpayer Advocacy Service to see if what you're going through is something they even deal with at all, or if they can point you into the right direction to get a resolve to that issue. Because I've been in the industry for 21 years, 15 as a business owner, so it's just certain things that clients go through that the IRS doesn't really have anything in place to fix that or counteract that. And so since they don't, you got to be creative enough to come up with a plan of action that you can use to help you with an issue that seems to be ongoing. And so, for instance, one of the biggest issues we faced was single parent moms having issues with their kids being claimed by the dads that they had the babies by. And so every year the dad would go in and file a tax return before the mom and get the refund money for the two kids that she normally was entitled to. Now she has to turn around, do a paper return, mail that off, and it takes much longer to process a paper return back then than it does now. And so just imagine, I mean, it takes longer now to process a paper return than it did back then. So just imagine having to go through that year in and year out. And so what you want to do is get with someone who has the knowledge and the information to be able to look at the situation for what it is and see what can we do to counteract this person coming in every year, filing the kids before you and getting the refund money that you're entitled to, and you keep having to do a paper return. So that's a common issue that a lot of single moms went through with their baby daddies, if you will. And so this here was just a brief video, introduce you to the Taxpayer Advocate Service, let you know it is help available if you're going through some tax problems that might be outside the experience or knowledge of the person that's preparing your taxes. You want to at least take a look at this information, do some research about it, and see if they can be the solution to help you with whatever you're going through as far as your tax issues. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you like my content, uh, please leave me a comment about any of the videos that I do. If you want to see a specific video training that you haven't seen on my channel yet, leave me a comment about it, and I'll see if I can make that happen for you. And I'll definitely see you in my next video.